Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Genshin Impact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Genshin Impact app, or just click on search. Then here at Genshin Impact, just click on it. You come to next step here, then you click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.